Sisu is the Finnish art of courage. I'm Staci West, and I've lived in the Tri-Cities for about 25 years. So I came to Sisu Health about a year ago on the recommendation of a couple of my friends in the community. And as a woman in my midlife, I was most curious about wanting to understand how our bodies change and hormonal changes as we get older, and how we can thrive through that process. So I saw Maria multiple times, and the first time I met with her, I think she spent like 45 minutes with me, really asking a lot of questions, understanding my health history, what my challenges were, my level of knowledge of where I was at, and then really wanting to understand what my goals were. And I found within weeks, I just felt a lot better. I felt really confident coming to Sisu and seeing Maria specifically to begin with, because the friends of mine who recommended her are both in the health and the medical industry here. Once I met with her, it was wonderful but unfortunate that she caught issues that my doctors over the years had not. And in fact, something as simple as not being on the right type of blood pressure medicine. I feel like things have improved for me and for my friends who I've recommended here, just in terms of having more vitality, better understanding where we're at as women in midlife. I have friends who've now come to Sisu and are able to hike again, who have lost weight, who have a vibrancy to them that I can see day in and day out. And so I know no matter what's going on with me, if I come here and need the time spent with the practitioners, I'm going to get that. And Maria doesn't cut corners, she doesn't try to rush you out, and always says, come back, let's have another conversation if needed. I've recommended my friends and family and people who, frankly, I barely even know to visit Sisu, because I and my friends who've come here have had great experiences. When I think of coming to the Sisu clinic, I'm just thinking of being welcomed and being cared for.